If you ask a doctor, is breathing important, they're gonna say, yeah, probably. And that's why we're changing the cabin air filter here.
Doing the daily.
I ordered this filter from Amazon. It has activated charcoal to help remove bad stuff out of the air. I'll add a link down in the description. You get access to the cabin air filter from behind the glove box. So the first step is to remove everything from your glove box. I have quite a bit of junk in here, to include some Jack-in-the-Box taco sauce. Once you have everything out, you can see there's a little retainer pin that connects the glove box to a cord. This cord provides a bit of shock absorption so that when you open your junk mail, junk food sauce filled glove box, it doesn't immediately come flying down, breaking the hinges. It's held in a keyhole slot that you have to push down until the round pinhead lines up with the round part of the keyhole, and then push it out. I was able to pry it down with my Leatherman, and then it popped right out of the hole. Now you need to firmly, but gently, pull the back sides of the glove box inward so they can clear the glove box hole. Once you do, the glove box just swings all the way down. Here you can see the cabin air filter cover. The cover has arrows showing the direction of the airflow. The cover is only held on with plastic clips, so it comes off easily. With the cover off, the filter slides right out. Now let's see how gross this thing is. It's time for YouTube Confessions.
This is a little hard for me to admit, but I've owned the Jeep Compass for over 5 years, and this is the first time that I've ever changed the cabin air filter. So there, I said it. Hey, this isn't going to be in the video, is it?
Holy cow, this thing is dirty. Ew. Maybe I should have done this sooner. Now you can take your new filter and put it right back in, paying attention to the direction of the airflow, if your filter has to go in a certain way. This filter doesn't show which way the air needs to flow, so I'm going to assume that it doesn't matter. The cover just snaps right back into place. Now here's where things get a little tricky. You have to replace the shock cord into the keyhole slot on the side when you have the glove box half in. This honestly was the hardest part of the entire job. Anyway, it took me several tries, but once that's in, you push the sides of the glove box in to fully seat it. And then all the crap you had in there in the first place goes right back in, especially the Jack-in-the-Box taco sauce. Don't even think of using this as an opportunity to go through the junk mail and papers and make certain you keep that sauce. Now that the new filter is in, you can test your ventilation system to see how much more airflow you get. There was so much more, and it's actually a lot more quiet. I'd recommend doing this a little more often than I did, which was once every 5 years.
Alright, that was pretty easy. Did that all on my lunch break, and holy cow, that filter was dirty. Shame on me for not changing that sooner. And it really made a difference. I could really tell that the air was coming out a whole lot more out of the vents, and it was a lot quieter. So that's some preventative maintenance that I've definitely been neglecting. But now I know how to do it, and so do you.
If you want to see how to change your Jeep's engine air filter, watch this video right here.